Oh, mate, yes. Look your eye. Wait, close your eye.
Wait.
You're gonna get powder in your eyes today,
Wait.
You got it.
Tell me first.
No, let me powder you.
No, tell me.
Okay, my favorite color is white.
Intensely, and with it all, my senses I do. I'm sure I knew the only reason God gave me eyes was to see you. The only reason God gave me ears was to hear your voice say I will know. I will always know.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video you have a special guest, mommy right here from Prestigejaii channel. Please go over and subscribe so you never miss another video of hers. Okay, today we'll be doing the smack or fact channel featuring mommy. Let's see how well she knows me in it. This is a collaboration, so you will be seeing this video on her channel as well. Okay,
What should we bet? 1 pound against one pound, so we're going to win. Let's bet 1 pound against 1 pound, yeah? If you win, we give you a pound. If we win, you give me a pound 50.
okay,
No problem.
right, go on. You
Remember, so we say it, you know, you say
You
it.
ask first.
Okay.
You go first.
What month was my dad born?
What? Wait.
Hey, listen.
Wait.
Come, wait. No.
Because that's not fair.
No. Give
me
me
the
the powder, please. Give me the
What do you
powder.
mean?
You know why? Because I see some people on this thing, this challenge, and the powder people, that.
If you box me today,
I'm not gonna really box, but seriously, the whole face can
know
get plastered.
yourself. Mommy,
The whole face can get
Mommy,
plastered.
if you
I
hit-
come to show you how to play
if you
this
hit me
game.
today, mommy,
No. You
your
ready?
dad was born
If you want,
January.
If you want clue, you have to tell me. Say
He
one
was
clue.
born in January.
January?
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna get a January powder.
No, wait.
Hey, don't back
Where
up
was
from
he
it.
born?
Do not.
Where was he born?
Okay, you may have to answer April. Then me not take on my hand. You see tattoo on my hand?
Where?
It's tattoo on my hand.
That says the first, mommy. The first of January.
That's when he died.
Oh.
I didn't say died, I said born. Come, don't search me up like that.
Oh. Listen, don't mess up my makeup in there.
Come. Okay, come. Yeah.
I can't even see.
That look nice.
Oh my god, my eyelash.
That look nice. Come. Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
Mhm.
What subjects
Mhm.
did I study in college?
No, you can't give me that. No.
Yeah, go on.
No.
What?
No. That's what I feel.
Not moving forward.
Photography, media. No, that's what unfair. No, that's what unfair.
Go on then, continue.
So I want 2 more.
Yeah.
Eating and drinking. Oh, wait.
Hey,
Don't worry me now.
mind yourself,
Don't you worry me. Oh, because see my pretty face right now. Don't you? Oh, no. Me never put so much.
Mommy,
No.
look at my face.
No,
Mom, look at my face.
No, that's a whole lot.
Come.
Man. That's a whole lot.
Turn your face.
Look a bit. Oh, look a bit.
Close your eye.
Look, see
Close
what be
your
my
eye. Close
See
your
what
eye.
be my
Mommy, close your eyes.
Okay.
Wait. Close your eyes.
Did my grandma Mim wore only dresses?
Yes. She didn't believe in wearing trousers.
Oh, she got.
My question is,
Oi.
what is my shoe size?
Oh, Jesus, 5. Okay, watch me go hit you now. Have I used any of my new makeup brushes?
Yes.
No.
You have.
No.
Yes, you
no,
have.
No.
You have
no.
because when you got them, you touched them on your face. That's using them. No. Be fair.
No. I knew I was going to come with that. No,
Mommy, be
listen.
fair.
Listen,
No,
listen,
Mom,
listen.
be fair.
When I got the brushes, I just go like that and feel them. No makeup is on them. That's what I'm talking about. Makeup not on them. Me and you today. You know one more powder. Not when you're a baby, you never get so much powder.
No!
Come.
No, empty half of that.
No. You can't
Mommy,
tell me how much.
empty half of that.
You cannot say what amount I use.
Okay. Okay.
Shut up the mouth up there if you want to, or shut them. Whichever way pleases you. Woo!
So what song did I march on the aisle to?
Oh Jesus. We up in the 34. Oh, you have used more than more this powder thing now.
What song did I march on the aisle to?
After this one, you was playing a message as a song you march on to. Oh my God. Wait. Hold on. Hold the horses.
10.
Hold on. 9.
No,
we never
that's
play on that.
how the rules is. 8. 7.
If you're counting, disturbing my thinkinology.
5.
Oh.
4.
You really serve my
3.
thinkinology. Stop, pause. You have to pause. Let me think. She disturbed my thinkinology, you know. Oh my God, I just can't quote.
You give up? You give up. You give up. Look at eye with me. Look at eye.
Oh.
Look at eye. Look at eye. You can't move. If you flinch, I do it again. So you better stand up like a brave soldier.
Okay. That's in your role. That's in your
Mommy.
Okay.
Ready? Look at eye.
Look how wicked up, man.
Yeah. You see the snow falling before your eye? That's what I experienced.
Fun is, what year did I first go to the US of A?
United States of America. 2019.
Oh, she got it right.
Who was my best friend in primary school?
Yusra.
Primary school, not secondary. Primary.
Shaniqua.
Shaniqua? No.
No.
That's too guess.
No. What I'm saying, who you go pour? Who you go pour?
Get it wrong.
No, but you have to tell me the answer. Who?
Stacy. Let me know.
Oh, you the white girl, Stacy. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh.
Look this
Stacy,
way.
white girl.
Look this way.
I feel bad. No, you have to just overlook the one there.
No.
Mommy,
we're not playing. We're not playing.
Okay, alright, go on.
Cut the eyes.
People don't use much powder.
Cut the eyes.
Don't use much powder next time, man.
Oh,
okay,
Jesus.
Go on. What's the name of my first nephew? Look at my powder now. I know I'm gonna give you
Your first nephew? Jericio.
Wrong. Tyler is the first one.
No, Mom, you can't do that.
Tyler is the first
Tyler's
one.
not the first one.
Tyler the first one. Tyler the first one.
You think you're so smart. You know exactly why you asked that question. But you know what you're thinking about.
Stop to that, man.
Thief.
Me thief. Shut your mouth. Come. Remember, you must move. Move. Cough.
Mom.
Lock your back.
Mom. Why did you put it in my mouth?
You mean to lock your mouth and lock your eye?
It's on.
Okay.
What is my favorite type of cheese?
Cranberry, and wait.
10.
Wait. Something like that deal. Cranberry trees are the what the funny one?
You get one chance. You said cranberry is wrong. Close your eyes.
No, decide funny.
Well, decide. Okay, alright.
Another one, and I was gonna decide. And that one, I should say first. Kind you cut me out right now. Mozzarella.
Which one do you pick?
Mozzarella.
You still cheating because
No.
Close your eyes.
No. I didn't decide yet.
Be fair.
You asked me a question, which one do you decide? I said mozzarella.
Be fair.
Mozzarella. Okay, you think you're clever than me. What's my grandma from Greenchill's name?
What?
My grandma from Greenchill, what's her name?
Olive.
Oh, you get it right. Papa the Sailor Man.
What is my favorite module in law?
Family law.
No, no.
Oh, stop.
Look at
Stop. No,
Look
wait.
at
Let me see if I can't take in the piece now to dance you because you never tell me which one it is before you pour them
But
on
I
face.
always go on about it. Criminal law. I always tell you that's my favorite module.
No. You know, see other people when they put in clothes, I want to with a powder, you see, and look at, no, my God. It's like going flower bag in Jamaica. How many men in my family is called Emmanuel? Emmanuel is one of Jesus' name, and Jesus' name and God name, whichever. So Jesus and God I see him.
What are you talking about?
Emmanuel.
I don't know of no Emmanuel in the family.
You don't know Emmanuel?
No. You meant to ask questions that I would know.
Yeah, you should know that one. Let's talk about it.
No, you don't.
Yeah.
No.
When one of the youngest person in the family get a name, middle name Emmanuel, me say 2 other people in the family have the name Emmanuel.
Oh.
Yeah. Oh.
Well, that's not really family, is it? But it's gone. I didn't remember.
Okay, so 3 people. The youngest person, then my grandfather was Tedford Emmanuel, and I have an uncle who is Cavallo Emmanuel. And then one young person in the family get the middle name, so 3 people with the middle name Emmanuel. Okay, here we go. Down the hip strip of Lagos. My partner get none yet, but see a decoration we are doing here so in a Christmas tree. Move. I'm gonna use this hand. This one now.
Sure.
Yeah. Yes, wow.
What is my favorite alcoholic drink? As in like the strong one. I'm not talking about beers. I'm talking about the strong one.
The strong one, wine.
No, like alcoholic drink, a strong alcoholic drink. What's my favorite one?
Can you drink strong alcoholic drink?
When I used to drink alcoholic drink, what was my favorite alcoholic drink?
Oh, so you used to drink strong alcoholic drink?
No, let's get on, mommy.
If I did just drink, when I say strawberry, fall. What do you want to fall? No, me not say decide it now.
Hurry up and decide.
But they drink any again? Ciroc.
Cut the eyes.
Me say, which one is it?
Wrong.
Which one is
I
it?
need part of you first.
No, say rules go.
Yeah.
Everything you want to pour them before you tell me. You're going to say
Cut the
like,
eyes.
no.
Okay, it's
No.
Serrano.
Oh yes, the Serrano.
Cut
Wait. The Serrano? The alcohol one, not the beer one. Wait. Let me think if you get it right.
Takes too long, man.
I love 3 colors. What are they?
What? Blue is one. That's the only one. Wait, I said blue, white, and I think possibly yellow.
No.
What is it?
No.
Tell me first
It's
then.
gold. You see one first.
So how close is gold to yellow?
No.
You're too deep.
No.
You're too deep.
You know gold.
How
You know
close
it's
is gold to
No,
yellow?
it's different. One spelled YELLOW and one spelled GOLD. 2 different spellings, people come.
You didn't.
What?
Okay, what's my favorite color?
Yellow.
It ain't been yellow for years.
Yeah,
It ain't been yellow for years.
Wait, let me tell you. Beige.
Beige?
Yeah,
Oh, beige. Yes. Look at eye. Wait, close your eye.
Wait.
You're gonna get part of the eye today,
Wait.
You got it.
Tell me first.
No, let me put it in
No, tell me.
first. Okay, my favorite color is white.
Tell me a lie.
It's been white for
Tell me
years.
a lie.
It's been white for Ask TOUSSY. Look at you.
Which one is my least favorite? Ackee baked bean or saltfish? No, which one? No, ackee baked beans or saltfish? Which is my fave?
Aki.
No, me no say should get one that easy.
A heels person or a trainer person?
Trainers, of course.
Okay, get that one right.
Favorite who are in UK to drink? Now look around now.
Pinar.
Oh, she's stupid. She shouldn't get that one.
My question is, can you list 4 countries, 4 Caribbean islands I want to visit?
You see, you know,
Besides
you're very
Jamaica.
unfair. You're very unfair, you know. Cuba, Trinidad and Tobago, Barbados, and where you go that? And I bet you just go come up with something. You should write down your answers. You should write anyway. One more, and Saint Lucia. Because you have yourself don't know the islands, them, so you don't know which islands you want.
I do.
Oh. Tell me country them you want to go in.
Cuba.
Yeah, make it that.
Barbados.
I got that.
Trinidad and Tobago.
I got that.
Yeah. And the Bahamas.
Oh, Bahamas, we get wrong. This is taking this now.
Thank you so much for watching.
No. Which other people does he do this challenge?
So, if you have liked today's video, please comment, like, subscribe, and share.
Please.
Also, remember to head over to Mommy's channel, Prestigejaii.
J spelled J-A-I-I.
I will link her channel in the description box below. Please make sure you like it, share it, subscribe.
And tell me who you think
won. Who's the winner?
Yeah.
Yeah, you decide who the winner is.
Yeah.
I personally believe I won. I know I won. Not even asking, I know I have won. Yeah? But I want to know who you think won.
Who you think looks the prettiest?
And on that note, this is the end of the video. We love and
appreciate. Take time with your face on my face.
We love and appreciate you. See you later.